ki khubor ka Bthah TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Sorkar Jilla Bthah ek National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited bar Maramot shwa shipori ki Bthah blasni shaba palat jong Surok Shillong-Dawki. Umintri rangba ka Jilla Konrad ki sangma habe kan bat kila pathai khubor hadi malawai ka jingalang perkhat kam jong Sorkar ulaong. Bakidon kato kat ni ki Bthah jong Surok blasni hadu kata badai halor kani ka daw baka Sorkar kalarai ban pha Maramot no ek Bthah jong Surok ha ka fees phone ek food sector ka belajan poi artat chaka Shillong-Dawki.
Shillong-Dawki road, as you're aware, that some parts of the road are in pretty bad condition, and hence we have made immediate arrangements to ensure that the repair of the phase 4 or the fourth sector, which is more closer towards Dawki, that repair should start immediately. So the Nhidcl has given us confirmation that they will be starting the repair work within the few days' time, and we have ensured that the quality is maintained for the repair. But as you are aware that while the repair does take place, the construction also is going side by side. So while the repair takes place for this season, immediately the construction work and the other parts also will also start at the same time. Then as you know that the packages also, the first package has also been allotted already. So the contractor to whom the work was allotted, we expect that the person should be starting the work very soon. He has mobilized some machinery and some manpower, and we expect that in the next week, 10 days, more manpower and machinery will be mobilized, so that this first sector from Sherpi to up towards Upper Shillong and 7th Mile and beyond, this section also the work will should start very soon. Equally important, but all have their different challenges. Some places we had initially challenges because of the utility shifting. In some places we had challenges because of the land acquisition issue. In some places we had problem because of the movement of vehicles being high, and other local challenges we had. So all the 4 packages are important, and obviously all the 4 packages have to be complete on time. So therefore we are not going to leave any stone unturned. We are pushing, and we want to see that Nhidcl and the contractors take their work seriously. And this is a challenge for every scheme. And therefore it's not possible for Government of India or for the state government to look into these localized challenges. What you're saying is correct, but that is the nature of how schemes are implemented. If we have to have flexible grants for every scheme based on geographical conditions, then we will have every village saying that we have different conditions, and ultimately we won't be able to achieve the goal. So these challenges will be there, but we have to work with those challenges, and within the given framework and given financial amount, we have to complete the work. But whenever the schedule, like this 2025 or 26, I'm not very sure, I don't have those numbers with me. But as I said that because the certain sections were not repaired and were in bad condition, so the meeting today was specifically to ensure that those repairs are done. And the second part, as I said, the different packages which have been given to different contractors, we want the contractors to start working and mobilizing ASAP. So this was really done for that.